Hey guys, so I'm super excited about this next coming lessons because we are going to be starting working with word problems and we're going to be working with word problems with addition and subtraction. And I'm so excited because this is my favorite unit. But we're going to start with what the meaning of addition and subtraction is because that's so important. And we're going to start with just addition. So here, what it says is I can use the addition symbol or plus sign and the equal signs to describe how parts are put together. Okay, so how parts are put together. So in addition, we are putting together pieces to make up a whole. Okay, so we're going to put together pieces and going to make that whole. Let's talk about our ice cream. Okay, let's see what we notice. Well, we have ice cream and we have a cone. If we put those pieces together, we get an ice cream cone. So our pieces were the ice cream and the cone. When I put them together, I made my whole, which is my ice cream cone. If I look at that using a number bond, remember, our whole is at the top of our number bond. So our whole is our ice cream cone. Okay, that's our whole. Well, how did I make that ice cream cone? Well, I put a cone and an ice cream together. And when I put those two pieces together, I get my ice cream cone. Okay, let me show you that again. Okay, in addition, you're putting together pieces to make a whole. So I'm putting together the top of my ice cream, which is my ice cream, with my cone. And when I put those two together, I get my ice cream cone. Let me show you another one. Here, I have a pizza. I have my pepperonis and I have my crust. And then I have an entire pizza. So I have pieces and I have a whole. So let's put that together in a number bond. Remember, when you have a number bond, your top is your whole. So what pieces am I putting together to make that whole pizza? You're right. I'm putting together my pepperonis and my crust. And when I put these two pieces together, I'm going to get my whole pizza. So I had a piece, which was pepperonis, another piece, which was my pizza. I put them together and I got my whole pizza. If I was to put that, if I'm going to add the plus sign, okay, a plus sign means we need to add, okay? Plus signs means parts, like we're going to plus parts together. We're going to put the parts together to make our whole. That's what that plus sign means, the addition sign. We're going to put those wholes together or those pieces together. If I use that with my ice cream cone, here's what that sentence looks like. You have an ice cream cone or an ice cream plus the cone equals an ice cream cone. Okay, so I put my pieces together to get my whole. So if we read the sentence, a scoop part, here's the scoop part, plus a cone part equals an ice cream cone. Okay, that's not too bad, right? Let's do that with our pizza. What were our pieces to our pizza? You're right. We had our pepperonis. We had our crust. When we put those two together, we got our pizza. So the pepperoni pieces plus our crust equals our pizza. Let's type that into a sentence. So a pepperoni part plus a crust part equals a pizza. We put together pieces to make ourselves a whole. The addition symbol is what makes ourselves a whole, okay? Let's look at something else. We have a drop of water, a cloud with drops of water, and then a cloud. So we're going to talk about the parts and what we're putting together. So what do you think we're going to put together? You're right. We're going to put our drops of water together with our cloud to make a rain cloud with drops of water. Okay, so our parts are going to be our drop of water and our cloud, and our whole is going to be the cloud with the raindrops. Let's use that in a number bond, okay? Remember, your whole is at the top. So what two pieces did I put together? I put together my cloud and my raindrop. And when I put those two pieces together, the cloud and the raindrop, I got a cloud that's raining. It's not too bad. Let's put that in a number sentence, okay? So, what were the two parts I put together? You're right. I put a cloud plus a drop of water got me to a cloud with drops of water. Let me put that into a sentence. So a cloud part plus a rain part equals a cloud with rain. Not too bad, right? That plus sign or the addition symbol shows that we're putting things together. And it's really important to understand that we're putting things together to make our whole. Okay, let's look at a different one. What do we notice here? What do you think is our whole? You're right, the candle and the cupcake. The pieces that make up that candle and cupcake are the candle and the cupcake. Let's put that into a number bond. Remember, the top is our whole. So what two pieces am I going to use to create my whole? Well, I'm going to use my candle and I'm going to use my cupcake. Those are my two parts. When I put my two parts together, I'm going to get a candle and a cupcake. Those are going to be my two parts. So my whole is the candle and cupcake. Well, what created that for me was the candle and the cupcake. Let's practice that, putting in a number sentence. So a candle plus a cupcake equals a candle with a cupcake. Let's put it into a sentence. A candle part plus a cupcake part equals, equals a candle and cupcake. So that's what I used to build on or to create my candle and cupcake. Remember that addition symbol is putting numbers together. So you're going to show me what you know. So on your assignment, you're going to have a cutout. And it's not going to be a cutout. You're just going to be able to click and drag the pieces. And you're going to put the two parts together to get you the end or to get you what your whole is. So you have a cloud, an ice cream cone, a cloud with raindrops, drops, and an ice cream cone. We've done these before, so this should be okay. And then you're going to submit that into Google. All right, get started.